Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to give your bathroom a fresh new look without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about budget-friendly flooring ideas that can transform your bathroom. I've got 5 fantastic options that are stylish, durable, and won't hurt your wallet. Let's dive right in. 1. Vinyl flooring, affordable and stylish. First up is vinyl flooring, one of the most affordable and versatile options for any bathroom. Vinyl comes in a wide range of colors and even realistic wood and tile looks. It's easy to clean, and incredibly durable, making it perfect for a high moisture space like the bathroom. The best part, it's a great DIY project that you can install yourself, saving even more money. 2. Ceramic tiles, classic and low cost. Next on the list is ceramic tiles. You might think ceramic tiles are expensive, but they're actually quite budget friendly if you choose basic designs. Ceramic tiles are waterproof, easy to maintain, and can be found in many sizes and styles. Whether you're going for a sleek, modern look or a traditional feel, ceramic tiles offer durability and elegance without breaking the bank. 3. Laminate flooring, looks like wood, costs less. If you love the look of wood but want a more affordable option, laminate flooring is your answer. Laminate can mimic the appearance of hardwood without the hefty price tag. It's easy to install and holds up well against everyday wear and tear. Just make sure to choose a laminate that's specifically designed for moisture-prone areas like the bathroom. 4. Peel and stick tiles, DIY-friendly option. Peel and stick tiles are a true game changer for anyone on a budget. These tiles are incredibly easy to install, and you don't need any special tools or skills to lay them down. Just peel off the backing and stick them directly onto the floor. They come in various designs and patterns, from classic tile looks to modern geometric styles, making it easy to achieve a custom look without spending a fortune. 5. Concrete flooring, industrial vibe on a budget. Concrete is one of the most affordable options out there, and it's super durable and easy to maintain. You can paint or stain the concrete to give it a more polished appearance and even add a sealant to make it waterproof. It's a great way to achieve a modern and chic vibe while staying on budget. And there you have it, 5 budget-friendly bathroom flooring ideas that can help you create a beautiful space without overspending. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a design tip from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.